Hi, Ali from Talent for Performance here. I want to talk to you about a hidden cost that's draining businesses across the UK: employee disengagement. Disengaged employees are costing UK businesses billions every year. It's not just the big things like high turnover and recruitment costs. It's also declining productivity, increased absenteeism, and even lower customer satisfaction. The worst part? Many companies keep doubling down on the same outdated engagement strategies, hoping for a different result. But here's the good news. Gallup research shows that highly engaged teams see 21% higher profitability, and engaged employees are 87% less likely to leave. So what's the fix? The key is simple. Stop treating engagement as an HR initiative. Start treating it as a leadership imperative. That's why I'm inviting you to a free 60-minute online workshop where you'll learn why engagement scores haven't improved in over 20 years, how leadership, not HR, drives real motivation, and the inside-out approach that finally works. As a bonus, every attendee will receive a free Harrison engagement profile, so you can immediately uncover what drives engagement for you. Spaces are filling up fast, so click the link to register now. I look forward to seeing you there.